Hello everyone, with the release of iOS 18.3.2, many users are noticing faster battery draining. Don't worry, this is common with updates and I will show you how to fix it with a few tips. The first thing you can try is to update the iOS version. Check if the new iOS version has arrived on the phone. For that, open the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If there is a new version available, install it. This version will probably solve all of the iOS version's problems. Also, a good idea is turn off haptics. Open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, find the Sounds and Haptics section. Tap on it. In the next menu, select the Haptics option. Here, select the option Never Play or Play in Silent Mode. In this way, you can reduce the consumption of your battery because vibrations have a lot of influence on the consumption. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. If a force restart doesn't fix your battery draining, then try to update all apps. Sometimes even updating apps may help you decrease the battery draining. To do that, open the App Store. At the top right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Scroll down and update apps individually or tap Update All to update everything at once. Reset all settings. Sometimes after a major iOS update, settings might not work as expected, leading to battery drain. For that, open up Settings. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm this process. This will not delete your data, but it will reset settings like saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth connections, and home screen layouts. In this way, you can easily fix battery drain problem on iOS 18.3.2. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.